Walking into a tenant's rental unit without proper notice is one of the fastest ways to trigger a harassment claim in Florida, even if you own the property outright. Under Florida statute FCRA 8353, landlords must provide at least 12 hours advance notice before entering a rental unit for repairs or maintenance, and entry must occur at a reasonable time. Violating this rule gives tenants the right to terminate the lease and potentially sue you for damages. The 12-hour rule exists whether you're fixing a leaky faucet or doing a full renovation. Our free Florida Notice of Intent to Enter for Repairs form gives you a simple, compliant written notice you can fill out and deliver whenever work needs to be scheduled. It covers the specific repair or maintenance being performed, the proposed date and time window for entry, who will be entering the unit, and your contact information for the tenant to respond. It creates a paper trail that protects both parties. Florida tenants can be surprisingly aggressive about their right to quiet enjoyment, and rightly so. Landlords who enter without proper notice, even once, can face complaints to the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services or find themselves defending against a constructive eviction claim in small claims court. This form takes 30 seconds to fill out and eliminates that entire category of risk. Fill it out online, save your PDF or print it, and deliver it to your tenant at least 12 hours before any scheduled entry. And for landlords looking to start every tenancy on the right foot, TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com offers same-day FCRA-compliant tenant screening, so you know your tenant respects property before they move in.